Today we will start with a new topic, that is scientific notation. Now, what is scientific notation and how is it expressed? The scientific notation is the product of two factors, in which one factor is the number between 1 and 10 and second factor is the power of 10. Means when you multiply these factors, the product that you are going to get is going to be expressed in scientific notation. For example, we have over here this one number 946 000 okay. Suppose this is your number. Now you have to express it in scientific notation. As we know that first number should be between 1 and 10. So over here you have three numbers and all others are 0, 9, 4 and 6. You cannot take 946, it will be more than 10. You cannot take 94 also, it will again more than 10. But you can take 9. 9 is less than 10. So we will take 9. Now we will put one decimal and then we will write down the other numbers that are left with you, that is 4 and 6. Now all other numbers are 0. Now count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have 15 0 and 2 more digits are over here, that is after the point. 15 plus 2 will give you 17. So your answer is going to be 10 to the power 17. This is how you express it in scientific notation. Means your first factor should be between 1 and 10, means less than 10. So you have 9 over here. You cannot take more than 9 because then it will be more than 10. So we have taken 9 over here. Now for rest of the numbers we will place decimal number and then we will continue writing the number. If there are any other numbers after the number that we have put, then we write down those numbers and then for rest of the numbers we will multiply all the zeros and give the power. Now if they have given you number with the power and you have to open it up, then what do you need to do? Suppose they have given this to you in scientific notation, that is 1.52 multiply 10 to the power 8. Now in 8, these two digits are also included because these numbers are after the decimal point. That means how many zeros you are going to put? You are going to put only 6 zeros because two digits are already present with us. So when you open this up, you will get number 152 means 6 0 and 2 digits are already given in the question. So this is how you express numbers in scientific notation.